Kids learn number counting. In this video we will learn identification of numbers, number and its value, tracing of numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Kids learn number and its value with finger. ONE 1 TWO 2 3 THREE 3 FOUR 4 FIVE 5 SIX 6 SEVEN 7 EIGHT 8 NINE 9 TEN 10 Kids learn number and its value once again. 1 pineapples, 2 watermelons, 3 pumpkins, 4 oranges, 5 bananas, 6 red apples, 7 lemons, 8 pears, 9 tomatoes, 10 green apples, Okay, thank you kids. Now we will do tracing of numbers to learn how to write these numbers. I have attached this sheet in the description link. You can download from there and do your practice to learn how to write these numbers. Okay kids, thank you.